Namaste children. This video is for class 3, subject science, chapter 5, animals. Children, I welcome you all for today's science class. Children, let's start this chapter with a story. There was a boy named Aryan studying in class 3. Little Aryan came home from school. Aryan completed all his homework and fell asleep. He had a nice dream in his sleep. In his dream, he met some animals. One by one, all the animals introduced themselves to him. I am friendly and guard your home. I am a dog. I live in and around your home. I give you milk. I am a cow. I do not live around your home. I am the king of the jungle. I am a lion. I have a horn on my head. I am a rhinoceros. I have a light green color body and use my red beak for eating. I am a parrot. Aryan told his mother about his dream when he woke up. He wanted to know more about animals. His mother explained that there are different types of animals. They have different feeding habits. Cow, goat, buffalo eats green leaves. Lion, tiger eats flesh. Parrot eats chili and fruits. Like this, different animals have different feeding habits. They live in different habitats. A place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Some animals live on land. Some animals live in water. Some animals live in desert. Some animals live in cold regions. Some animals known as birds can fly in the air. Along with Aryan, children, let us learn more about how animals are classified and grouped on the basis of their habitats. Shall we see, children? Land animals. Land animals are animals that live on land or earth as plains, caves, forest, desert and snow-covered areas. Different land animals live on different parts of land. Animals such as horse, cow, buffalo, dog, cat, donkey lives in plains. Animals such as camel, snake, lizard lives in desert. They can tolerate high temperature. Animals such as lion, tiger, zebra, giraffe, kangaroo, elephant lives in forest. Animals such as penguin, snow leopard, they live in cold regions. So, different land animals live on different parts of land. So, animals living on land are also called as terrestrial animals. Children, which animal is this? Horse. And what is this? Cow. Which animal is this? Buffalo. And what is this? Cat. Meow. And which animal is this? Dog. Bow bow. And what is this? Donkey. So, horse, cow, buffalo, cat, dog, donkey, and so many others live in plains. So these animals are also called as terrestrial animals. All these land animals walk and run on four legs. Children, what animal is this? Have you all seen this animal? You can see this animal in desert. Deserts are usually very hot and have very little water. So camel can tolerate even the high temperature. And camels can live without water for many days. They store food and water in their bodies. And camels have padded feet that helps them to walk on sand. Camels can turn their neck at the back. And what animal is this? Snake. And what is this? Lizard. Snake and lizard comes under reptiles. Even you can see the snake and lizard in desert. Snake and lizards travel on ground. They live in burrows. This helps them to escape the heat of the desert. So deserts are usually very hot and have very little water. So these animals lives in desert. Children, which animal is this? Tiger. Children, which animal is this? Elephant. We all love this animal, isn't it? Children, which animal is this? Zebra. See its body pattern, black and white stripes, no? Very nice, no? Children, animals such as tiger, zebra, deer, elephant, giraffe, kangaroo lives in forest. Forest provides shelter and food to many animals. Tiger eats the flesh of other animals, whereas these animals eat the green leaves. So forest provides shelter and food to many animals. Children, if you see, these animals have the different skin tone and different body patterns. Why, children? Because their body pattern and their skin tone helps them to merge with their surroundings, and they can protect them from danger from other animals. Children, animals such as polar bear, snow leopard, penguin and many more live in snow-covered areas, Arctic regions which are always covered with snow. It will be very cold, children. These animals have thick fur to protect their bodies from cold. Do you know, children? The Arctic regions of the earth are very cold regions. These regions are near the north and south poles of the earth. Children, now let us see about water animals. 71% of our earth is covered with water. And do you know about the water bodies, children? Ponds, lakes, rivers and oceans are called as water bodies. So many animals live in ponds, lakes, rivers and oceans. Animals living in water are called as aquatic animals. These animals have fins for swimming and gills for breathing. Animals like whale, shark, turtle, starfish and jellyfish live in the salty waters of oceans. Fish like catla, labio, trout, piranha are found in freshwater lakes and rivers. So animals living in water are also called as aquatic animals. What is this, children? Frog. What is this? Toads. What is the difference between frogs and toads, children? Frogs have thin, wet, smooth skin and it has more color, whereas toads have thick, dry skin with bumps and usually they will be in brown. Animals like frogs and toads are land animals. In order to lay their eggs, they need water. Have you all seen the legs of frogs, children? They have webbed feet for swimming. It helps them for swimming. They can also breathe in water. Turtles live in water for most of the time. They have flippers for swimming. What do you mean by flippers, children? Flipper means paddle-like organ which helps them for swimming. In order to lay eggs, they will come to land. And what is this, children? Crocodile. Very dangerous animal. Crocodile is a land animal and can crawl on the ground. It lives near water and can also swim. Children, now let us see about animals' behavior. If you see human beings, different human beings have different types of behavior, isn't it? They used to show different types of behavior. Similarly, animals also show different types of behavior. Some of them are shy, whereas some of them are playful. Some of them will be friendly. So if you see animals like dogs and cats, they are the favorite pets of many of us, isn't it? That's why people used to keep dog and cats as a pet animal. So these animals like to interact and play with humans. See, this boy is playing with the dog, isn't it? And dog and cat love their masters. What is this, children? Dolphin. Dolphins live in oceans. They are very intelligent animals and they can learn easily to perform tricks and play games. See, this dolphin is playing with this boy, isn't it? So they are very intelligent animals. Animals like deer, orangutans, tigers and snakes are shy animals. Children, if you see tiger and snake, they are the dangerous animals. And these animals, they are not very friendly with humans. They do not like to interact with people. What do you mean by interact, children? Means friendly. They do not like to interact with humans. Now let us see about keywords. Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means animals living in water. Burrows, small hollow areas under the earth. Flippers. Flippers means paddle-like organs for swimming. What do you mean by interact, children? Interact means to be friendly. Merge. Merge means mix together. What do you mean by terrestrial animals? Animals living on land are called as terrestrial animals. Children, in part 2 video, we will see about the animals living in cold regions, about water animals, about the animals' behavior. That's all for today's class. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.